How to get clients for digital marketing agency. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. This video I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and get clients for yourself for digital marketing agencies. Now, to talk about this in more detail, basically, let's say I'm going to choose a niche of digital marketing right now. Let's say I'm going to go with email marketing. So once you're over here, basically, you're going to choose a platform for each type of marketing. So let's say if there's social media marketing, you could choose TikTok or Facebook. If it's email marketing, you could choose things like MailChimp. If there's the e-commerce marketing, you could choose something like Shopify. And once you go on these platforms, over here, when you sign up with these platforms, you can even go to the services that they provide you, and you can see that they give you email marketing to actually gain leads. Their email marketing platforms are specifically, or their separate marketing platforms for their CRM and their SEO is specifically made for you to get clients and leads. Okay, leads is what we call them. So basically, you're going to go through the steps they tell you. You're going to go ahead and create the lead generation campaigns. And you can see you can generate emails and then you can start sending them out to the random amounts of people through cold emails. And that is how you're going to get clients for digital marketing agencies. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.